Hello students, welcome to maths class. Next video, exercise 7.1 from question number 6. Okay, it's a word problem. Question number 6. Question number 6 is Arya, Abhimanyu and Vivek. Okay, those three students, the friends, they shared lunch. Arya has brought two sandwiches, one made of vegetable and one of jam. Okay, two sandwiches are there, one made of vegetable and one made of jam. The other two boys forgot to bring their lunch. So Arya agreed to share his sandwiches so that each person will have an equal share of each sandwich. So first question is arise that how can Arya divide his sandwiches so that each person has an equal share? So here that Arya what he did? He divide that sandwiches. Okay, two sandwiches are there. So he divided both the sandwiches in three parts. How many parts? In three parts, three equal parts. Okay, three equal parts or three same parts. So after that, she or he divide that three parts in these three equal parts. So how can Arya divide his sandwiches so that each person has an equal share? So Arya divide that sandwich in three parts so that one part to each friend he will use. And the next question is that what part of sandwich will each boy receive? Now each boy receive how many parts? Three equal parts are there. Suppose one sandwich is there, okay, and three equal parts are there of one sandwich, and here also three equal parts of one sandwich. Okay, so each student get or each boy get how many parts? 1/3 part of each sandwich. How many? 1/3 part of each sandwich. Okay. So next question is Kanchan dyes dresses. Dye means color. So Kanchan dyes dresses. She had to dye 30 dresses. How many dresses she had to dye? 30 dresses. So but how much she dyes? So she dyes, she had to dye 30 dresses and she has so far finished 20 dresses. So what fraction of dresses has she finished? So write down here, she had to dye 30 dresses. Okay. And she has finished 20 dresses. Okay, 20 dresses. So what fraction is there? The fraction part we say that it is 20 upon 30. 20 upon 30 means 30. She had to dye 30 dresses, but from 30 dresses she finished only 20. So 20 upon 30. Okay, it is in the fraction. So simply cut this 0, we get the answer 2/3, 2 by 3. Okay, so 2 by 3 fraction of dresses she has finished. Now question number 8 is write the natural numbers. See, you can write here in sentence 2/3 fraction of dresses she has finished. Okay, 2/3 dresses she has finished. Next question is question number 7. That 8. Write the natural numbers from 2 to 12. You have to write the natural numbers, all the natural numbers, and what fraction of them are prime numbers. So you have to find that how many numbers are prime numbers from 2 to 12. Okay. So actually natural number starts with 1 to infinity. But here we have to start with 2 from 2. Okay. So write the natural numbers from 2 to 12. So I write here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay. From these, which numbers are prime number? So 2 is prime, 3 is prime. So write down here prime numbers. Prime numbers are 2, 3, then 5, 7, then 11. 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. These are the prime numbers. Okay. Now count the numbers. These are the natural numbers. How many natural numbers are there? Total number of natural numbers. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay. 11 natural numbers are here. And number of prime numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 prime numbers are there from this 11 natural numbers. So fraction is 5 by 11. Fraction part is 5 by 11. So write down that 5 by 11 fraction of them are prime numbers. 5 by 11 fractions of them are prime. Correct? Now next question is 9th. Write the natural numbers from 102 to 113. Okay, same you have to write like this. So you have to start with 102 and end with 113. What fraction of them are prime numbers? You have to find which prime numbers are there, how many prime numbers are there, and solve like this. Then question number 10 is what fraction of these circles have x in them? Some circles are given, drawn there already. So we have to find how many x are there. So 8 circles are there. And 4 crosses are there. 4 x are there. Okay. So what fraction of these circles have x in them? So how many x are there? Total circles. Number of circles are total number of circles are 8. Okay, and number of x are 4. So fraction part is 4 upon 8. Okay, so write down 4 by 8 fractions of these circles have x in them. Okay, you can solve it, you can simplify it. If we simplify this, 4 1 the 4, 4 2 8 is half part. Okay, 1 by 2 fraction of the circles have x in them. Then last question is Christine received CD player for her birthday. Her birthday was there, Christine, and she received one CD player. Okay. Nowadays CD player is not available actually. We used pen drives and memory cards. Okay. So Christine received a CD player for her birthday. She bought 3 CDs and received 5 others as gift. Okay, she got CD player on her birthday. She bought 3 CDs. She bought how many CDs? 3 CDs. Okay, and she received 5 others as a gift. She received gift as a gift. her total CDs did she buy and what fraction did she receive as gifts? So fraction part is there. What fraction of her total CDs did she buy and what fraction of did she receive as gift? So total CDs are there. Total CDs. How many total CDs? 5 plus 3, 8 CDs. Okay. And from that 8 CDs, fraction of she bought equals to 3 by 8. Means from total 8 CDs are there, from 3 CDs she bought, and fraction of she received as a gift equals to 5 by 8. Okay, so that's it. Here exercise 7.1 is completed. Okay, next topic is fraction on the number line. Okay, please read that topic and I will explain you how to solve this fraction on the number line. Then proper fractions is also there, improper fractions, mixed fractions are there. Okay, proper, improper, mixed fraction. Okay, so keep watching my videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye.